Haka jingelang ke bala penlong da Tnad education ke sarkar jala lingba u Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner but Secretary banyap merjing mod halor ki mat Jingdawa jong kinong hikai SSA Kynthup ya ka all Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association ka Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA but ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association AMSSASTA haka sautar nguno pra arja arpusaw la yo Jingtep baka sarkar kala donya ka Thmu ban Kynthup ya samtli naki pratli ki mat Jingdawa haka job policy. Ya kanila pentip daw ba Aristotle C. Rambai u President ka MSSASA haba kren sikilat patay kubor hidin ke jingalang haka bawloong baka Tnad education kan sakhot jingalang biang banya kren halor kini ki mat haka jingalang ka bansalong hakini ki khendiat sngi.
Kabanang kong ila pentip shangi ka association kata sa Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ka Fourth Teachers Association ila pentip ba kamdon cadets katkum ka guidelines jong ka government of India. Henry paro nado ka SSA but ka government ma kidai ban hapo kawe ka management but ka kata ka deka tadi ban pe da ka government. Henry hastin Meghalaya jongi la pentri kam baklaya kani but nami kumni cadets ka bamut SSA cadets but government cadets kata ka deka point number 1 ka ba la pentip sini. Point number 2 ulong ba nakaliang jong ka state government kalayo pdiang shipun kila kichiti na ka Ministry of Education jong ka sarkar India hakabala direct yaki ba kinpenbe yakani ka bakla they based on this letter but kumjur yak ka ba nakaliang jong ila dawa menta ban wanra yaka policy na menta ka job security jong ki nohika SSA hapo Meghalaya kumbala hakiwe ki state nakaliang jong ki menta kila shim yaka sinjam kumno ban wanra yakane ka policy kata ka point number 2. Point number 3 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ru pentip yangi na kito ki pratli ki mat ka bangila depan summit aka first meeting ka bala nila syong ha pratli jong 9 November jong mataus nem na ki pratli daka education department have take into consideration 5 points. The further discussion regarding this 5 points will be on the next meeting which is supposed to be held on the before Christmas within this month of December. Hoy kita ki sangli ki points ki panakaliang juga government kala consider but include haka policy ka point number 1 kalong ban pentri kam ya ka pay structure namenta kinong hikai SSA but kum juro ban enhance ya katulok jong kinong hikai SSA as per existing policy or as per existing norms as far as concerned regarding the salary and regarding the payment of salary for government teachers. Kabamut kaba ila ong ba ka government can consider ya ketika kabangila ajimut nakaliang jok association ka revision of pay rules 2018 kata kari point number 1 ka point number 2 kaba ila petip yangi kalong ba nakaliang jok education department kan wanra kanani kan Kynthup hakabai de kacing ajimut juni nakabentaban wanra ya ka special package no lani ka special package na betaka dan kita itu kinong hikai ki balajan karta ban shorthai kata ka point number 2 ka point number 3 ka ba nakaliang jong ki kila pentip yangi kalong ba amen ya kaneka Meghalaya School Education Service Rule kata ka point number 3 ka point number 4 kalong ba yakitu kinong hikai SSA ki bala join prior to 23rd August 2010 kaba ngingi ladawa badai ban pelait nyaki MTET kanero karadong under consideration but ka point number 5 kalong ba bakin nalor kani ke MTET bakin consider sa kasitet nak bentaki no hikai SSA tikini kalong kita kisang tadi ki points ki bana kali yang jong education department kali itu ingi ba nakali yang juga kin consider but further discussion on this will be there in the next meeting. Pinging stick by nakaliang jong association as per guidelines but manual work jong ka SSA. Ka SSA ka ong kumno ba yakini ki no hika SSA dai bantung haki government school. No. Whereas hang ne state jongi kumba bi omentan la shu island kumto bantung daki haki mission school, haki private school, nanda haki school shinong batunda teter. Te kata kadai manubale ya kata kadai ka state jongi. Nakta kada ka wanno hani ka contradiction ke. Ya ka norms jong ka government of India but kada fair part ka implementation
habatin pej bahaki ki shop ka plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki batte ye kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus f menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.